And happy new year 2026. Bringing you this wonderful video live from the Juicy Enterprise Studios is King Onesmo Shigozie, founder of Juicy Enterprise. Today we have this particular product we want to show you, a treadmill. Now this is a 140kg treadmill which we want to show you how to mount from square one right up to square finish. We're going to tell you how to use it, the different buttons, what they entail, and how you can practice safely at home. Guys, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to show us love this new year by liking this video and of course subscribing to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to also let us know where you're watching from, and if you would like to get this particular training from us, the link to purchase is in the comment section. Guys, enough of the talking, let me show you how it is done. So when the machine comes to you, then the first thing you have to do is open it. It comes with some particular ropes, white ropes there. You open them, then you remove these white foams. These white foams are just cushions so that when as they transported it, they should not hit and break, because it has a screen, a big screen. You understand? So when you're done, remove all the packaging and put it on the floor like this. All right? Then you can shift the carton to one side. Then put it to lie flat on its back after that, as you are seeing in the video. Then now remove this plastic covering, then lift the head up. When you're done lifting the head up, the first screws to loosen are the screws of the head so that the head can stand. All right? It already comes with two screws there. You go there, unscrew those screws. That's on the top, the head, where that screen is. All right? Around where the arm is connected to the other length like that by the side, there's a screw there. So unscrew that screw, which you're going to see. Then now you can screw it back. Screw both sides tight. Now in the case of these particular videos we are doing, we do not screw most of our treadmill so tight because we don't plan. We have to show you how they're using it, and then unmount it and put it back in the carton. So this particular treadmill comes with it comes with an Allen screw and another screwdriver. So in this case, you use the Allen screw that is just like a T, all right? And you put it there and see the side that fits well into that screw hole. Then now you can actually screw. All right? When you're done screwing, make sure you screw it tight for both sides. And that is it for that place. The next place is the legs, because to mount it is not actually difficult. This one, to mount it, is very, very easy. The next place is the legs. By the side of the legs, you're going to see where you're supposed to put a very big screw. Now, there's a screw. There are two types of screws there in that particular plastic. There's a screw there that comes with a black color and the other one with silver. The silver one goes by the side. You see how big it is? It goes by the side. By the side of the treadmill, that is where it goes. So screw it and make sure you tighten it as you see fit. What you think is good, that is what you should do. All right, as you can see there, first of all, use your hand, then you can use that screwdriver, the same T-screw, to tighten it up. Now the other screw that looks like a star design like that, the other edges can be used as a spanner, so that is why that one is there. Okay, so when you're done, the other one is the other black screw goes by the other side now of this particular machine. Now this one makes the machine to be steady. It makes it to be steady, and for the machine not to collapse or fall when you're working on it. So you screw that one, and that is just it for this machine. Nothing big. Do it on both sides, and that is just it. Your machine is now functioning. If you've watched this particular point of the video, please don't forget to like the video and actually share the video to your loved ones. In subsequent times of this video, we're going to show you how to use your treadmill for the first time. Now the next thing is to put this particular plastic caps. You just fit it like they are seeing. There's a hole there by the leg. You fit the metal stuff into that hole and it's going to be there, stick. Now if you want your treadmill to have a little incline function, those bigger legs, unscrew the screw of the legs in front and put those bigger legs. It will help the treadmill to suspend a little bit. And the difference with this workout is that when you're working out on a suspended, or people call it inclined treadmill, you tend to lose more weight. Now the treadmill is good. Most of you know that the treadmill is used only for running or jogging, but you've not understood the science behind that. When you run or you jog, you lose calories. All right. Now, if you want to lose more weight on the treadmill, it is better to walk or jog for a longer period of time than to run on it. Because when you run on the treadmill for a very long period of time, when you go to eat, you're going to eat much to replenish that energy, unlike somebody that just walked on it. And it's always good that if you want to continue or start your weight loss journey, this is not only the treadmill, you also have to go right out to you become what you eat. So you try to arrange, or let's say reduce, the portions of food you eat or the kind of food you eat that actually led you to that state in the first place. All right. So you reduce the portion of your carbs or your fats in the food. All right. So now this our treadmill here. It takes 140 kilograms, and of course the power is 800 watts. It has up to speeds of 14 kilometers per hour. That is, if you want to run, you can run up to 14 kilometers per hour here, as you can see coming on the screen. So this is the speed from 369, and you can always increase any of the speed. Let's say if you are 3, you can always increase here with this button plus, speed plus, or reduce here. All right, these are the ways. Now to start the treadmill, you press here, start or stop, and it starts working. Now 1, 2, 3 options are programs available on the treadmill. Most of them start by you walking to you jogging to you running for a particular time frame, and this particular screen here shows you the number of times that you have walked or run on the treadmill, the distance covered, and the calories you've lost. And of course this one measures your heart rate, or what people call your pulse. Now these other options here are options for music. Now this treadmill has Bluetooth. Of course, when you connect your song, when you open your Bluetooth, you're going to see the option of Bluetooth there, which is this treadmill. You connect, you can play your songs. When you tap here, you increase the volume. Here, reduce. You tap here, you go to the next song, and here you go backward. So that is it. And another feature of the treadmill is this particular walk path space is very big for you to run on it. So gyms can get this. Those who want to have your personal gym, you can get this one. It's actually good. Although you have to understand that the bigger the treadmill, the more expensive it is. So the bigger the weight that the treadmill can carry, the more expensive they are. Now this is another place here. This is where you pour your oil. And luckily for us, our treadmill came with 2 bottles of oil, which you can use to lubricate. You see, we gave you two of them to lubricate your motor of your treadmill so that it can function properly. All right. And there's another point here. Get that in here. This thing for here. Come and show it. You see?
What was it?
Yes, it's cool.
Yes,
Come. And you use this. Now the function of that place is to adjust this particular section here, this work area. Sometimes this particular thing shifts to the left or to the right. So for you to make it to be in the center, you use this to adjust it that way. Okay, come in front. Now this is a very important feature of the treadmill called the safety. With this safety, it has this magnetic pad here that goes, like, see, the treadmill is on, but it's not going to come on. But with this, it shows that you are safe. When you plug it here, it comes on. So our treadmill is like that. Once you're safe, that is when it comes on. Then this other end, you have to put it at the edge of your dress. Now what this does is that it prevents you when you fall. If you make as if you want to fall from the treadmill is going to stop functioning. This is a safety feature for you. Now, as you can see how sturdy this treadmill is, all treadmills will shake no matter how you tie them because you are moving. But this one will not shake too much. All right, it can only go left to right, but it's okay. Now you start, pam, pam. Okay, it's going to start first of all at 0.8 kilometers per hour. With this speed, you can get used to the treadmill. Just exercise your leg and see. Now, just like a car, this speed cannot really help you. Now, imagine like you are ascending a hill and maybe you are ascending with gear 1. Sometimes you have to go to gear 2 or sometimes you go back to gear 1 if you are going to stop your fire. Now, this one is too low, so you have to increase the speed with the buttons we told you before. You can start by 3. Now, from speed number 3 to speed number 6, you can walk slowly to walking faster to jogging. That is the speed. Slowly, depending on the length of your legs. You see? Now, this is me getting used to my treadmill. If you can walk like this 30 minutes every day on the treadmill, you're going to lose more weight. All right? 30 minutes every morning. Maybe you can do it morning, evening, just walking on the treadmill. First of all, treadmill provides something that we call low impact sports. The sport does not really affect the joints, your knee joints. So it is actually very safe. Those of you suffering from arthritis, consult your doctor, but your doctors will mostly tell you to walk on the treadmill rather than running. All right? Now, speed number 6 to 9, like we said, is for you to start jogging. So we are just going to put 6. Now, this treadmill is fast. Assuming that I just came and the treadmill is like this. I'm standing by the sides of the treadmill and I weigh currently 98 kilograms. So, by the side, you first of all use one of your legs to feel the speed. Then now you can start. When you're done, you can free your hand. That is when you're used to. But not everybody is used to like this. Now while I'm jogging, some people might be running. As you can see. The same way I entered, I skipped. And when I skipped, I put my 2 legs on the sides of the treadmill to get a balance. I'll repeat again. Feel. Then you start. Holding this, then letting go when you know that you are okay or used to it, you see? And by the side. Speed number 9 is the same thing. Just the same thing. But you know, this one is faster. So, come on.